Welcome back to AZE English Listening Practice. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ben. Today's topic is talking about family, one of the most common topics in everyday English.
Yes, people talk about their family at work, at school, when meeting new friends, and even in simple small talk.
And family vocabulary is very important. Mother, father, siblings, cousins, grandparents, plus phrases like I live with or my family is.
Ben, tell us a little about your family.
Sure, I have a small family, just my parents and one younger sister. She's very funny and always makes us laugh.
That's sweet. My family is a bit bigger. I have 2 brothers and many cousins. Family gatherings are always loud and full of food.
I love that. All right, let's listen to Conversation 1. It's longer and full of natural family expressions.
Hey, Sam. Do you have a big family?
Not really. My family is small. I live with my parents and my older brother.
Nice. Is your brother working or studying?
He's studying engineering at university.
That's cool. Do you get along well?
Yes, we do. We play video games together on weekends.
Fun. I have a big family. I have 2 sisters and 1 little brother.
Wow, that's a lot. Do you all live together?
Yes, we do. It's noisy, but I love it.
I can imagine. What about your parents?
My mom is a teacher, and my dad works in a bank.
Nice. Do you visit your grandparents often?
Yes, almost every Sunday. We have lunch together.
That sounds lovely.
It is. Family time is important to me.
That was a great conversation. Very natural and full of useful family vocabulary.
Yes, and I like how they talked about their siblings, parents, and grandparents. Very realistic.
They also used nice expressions like get along well and family time is important.
And I love how Laura described her big family. It felt warm and real.
Older brother, younger sister. Family members with age difference. Example, I have an older brother.
Get along. To have a good relationship. Example, we get along well.
Noisy. Loud sounds. Example, my house is noisy.
Engineering. A field of study. Example, he studies engineering.
If you want to review today's vocabulary, you can download the PDF file in the description of the video.
Yes, the PDF includes all the words, definitions, and example sentences from this episode.
Now, let's listen to the second conversation about this topic.
Hey, Leo. Do you have any family traditions?
Yes, we do. Every Friday night, we have a family dinner.
That's nice. What do you usually eat?
My mom cooks pasta or chicken, and we all sit together and talk about our week.
I love that. My family has a Sunday tradition.
Oh? What do you do?
We go to my grandparents' house. My grandma makes a big meal and all my cousins come.
That sounds fun.
It is. We play games, watch movies, and sometimes go for a walk.
Do you celebrate birthdays together too?
Yes, we always make a homemade cake.
That's sweet. In my family, we take a group photo every birthday.
Oh, I love that idea.
Yeah, it's a nice memory for us.
I really enjoyed this conversation. Family traditions are a beautiful way to connect.
Yes, and the vocabulary was very rich. Family dinner, tradition, homemade cake, group photo.
I also liked how they talked about food, activities, and celebrations. Very natural.
Let's look at some new words from this conversation.
Tradition. Something a family does regularly. Example, we have a Sunday tradition.
Homemade. Made at home. Example, we make a homemade cake.
Cousins. children of your aunt or uncle. Example, all my cousins come.
Group photo. A picture with many people. Example, we take a group photo.
Remember, you can download the vocabulary PDF in the description.
It has all the words from both conversations.
Try talking about your family in English. Start with simple sentences like, I live with, or I have.
And practice describing family traditions, food, activities, celebrations.
Tell us in the comments, what is one tradition your family has?
And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the A to Z channel for more English listening practice.
See you in the next episode.